In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself typing away in Google Docs and thought about adding a simple horizontal line to separate sections or create a visual break in your document, you're in the right place. Adding a line can tidy up your document layout, making it look more organized and professional. So, let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is open your Google Docs document. Once you've got your document open, decide where you want to place this line. Think of it as a way to divide sections of content, maybe between paragraphs or above a signature space. It's all up to you. Place your cursor right at that perfect spot where you envision the line appearing. This is important because the line will be inserted directly at the point where your cursor is located. Next, bring your attention to the top part of your screen where the toolbar sits. This area is packed with options that allow you to customize and enhance your document. You'll want to find the Insert menu, which is a drop-down menu among the others up there. Not to worry, it's usually located towards the middle. Give it a click, and you'll see a list of items you can insert into your document. Now scroll down through the options in that list and look for Horizontal Line. Click on it. Magically, you'll see a neat horizontal line appear in your document right where your cursor was sitting. It's as simple as that. You've just added a horizontal line to your Google Doc. If it's not exactly where you want it, no problem. You can easily remove it by simply clicking above or below the line and pressing the backspace or delete key. Then simply move your cursor to the correct spot and try inserting again. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with these features, the more comfortable and efficient you'll become in using Google Docs. So there you have it. A straightforward, easy way to insert a horizontal line into any of your Google documents. Whether you're doing this to create sections, add a little flair, or just to break things up, it's a useful tool to know. Keep exploring and experimenting with the features that Google Docs offers, and soon enough, you'll be navigating and customizing documents like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and happy documenting.